This video is brought to you by Squarespace.
So tonight, Cooper is about to do his first ever major ocean voyage.
Hi, we're Stephen, Jess and Hunter, a little family who are currently living out of our self-converted van full-time as we do a complete lap of Australia. So last week, we were finally reunited with our van Cooper. After having a short 3-month break abroad, we honestly were so excited to finally move back in and readjust to full-time van life. But this week, we're making Cooper float as we take him onto an overnight ferry to get him across the seas to Tasmania. So when we built Cooper, we had the goal in mind to take him to every single state in Australia. And one of those states, it's not connected to Australia, but I think we found a way to get him there.
This feels so surreal right now. One of our favourite places to go is Tassie, and we've always dreamt about doing like a caravan trip, and I could not believe that we were about to jump on a ferry, head to Tassie in our own camper van, and go on the most amazing few weeks exploring, I feel like, one of the most beautiful parts of Australia. Let's do this.
We have just come to the pier. We have about an hour until we can board. I guess Scooby's coming for the voyage too.
Alright, here we go. We're about to hop on the ferry. It's kind of fun. I feel like we're going on like a very mini cruise. Like no sightseeing, it's only at night, but it's still a fun adventure.
Yeah, let's do it. Cooper's going on a boat. Kind of cool as we're coming in. I was like, how are they going to fit all the cars in? They lifted all the cars up just to be able to store some more in here.
Huh? Where are we? Are we on a boat? Wow. We're not sleeping on Cooper. We're going to sleep on the boat. Oh, should we go exploring? Yeah, okay, let's go. Say bye to Cooper. Mwah. See you in the morning. Should we go check out our room first?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's already going to start asking where Mickey Mouse is. We went too far, we went too far. You did it. Oh, there we go. And we're having a sleepover. Which bed do you want to take? Go choose which one. Go hop on that.
You want to go on that one?
Yeah, which one's Mama's bed?
Me.
Okay, which one's Dada's bed?
Dad.
So, we've just dropped off our bags at our room and we thought we needed to come explore this ship while we still had light. It is sunset. Melbourne looks so beautiful from up here. I'm just excited to be back on a cruise ship. Ferry.
Hunter, you ready to go?
Go.
Most people on the Spirit of Tasmania are on here because you can bring your car. You can come here without a car, but this is where we just lined up and drove our way onto the ferry.
Should we play some games? Watch, ready? Ready, 1, 2, 3, click this red button. Oh, come on, Mike.
That was such a scam.
To be honest, do we really need another big toy in the van? Oh my gosh, we can win lollies though. We won a lolly.
Oh.
Hello, Mrs. Hangry. You're going to share with Mummy, okay?
So there are a bunch of different options on board, from quick service pizza to just grabbing some burgers, but we decided to come to the Tasmanian market. You pretty much pay for a plate and it's buffet style, so you can just shove as much food as you want on top. And we decided to check that out tonight.
So to get from Melbourne to Tassie on the ferry, it takes around 10 hours. So tonight we are leaving at 7:30 and we arrive tomorrow morning at 5:30 AM. Hence why I think it is a good idea to book a room. Here on the ferry, you can choose to stay either on a recliner seat all the way up to like a deluxe room, and I'm pretty sure they have windows, but we thought, seeing as that we are leaving at night, we arrive at night, what's the point? Let's book one of their cheaper rooms. So we are just staying in one of their double bunks, but something I didn't realize is that we don't only have 4 beds, we also have an entire bathroom. I thought we were going to be sharing with other people. That's awesome.
So behind me, there's a little bit of a desk, and then of course we have the 4 bunk beds, plus this extra room, which is the bathroom. There's a shower, there's a toilet. It's just us 3 in here for the night. Alrighty, right on time. We have left, and we will see Melbourne in 2 weeks' time. Next stop, Tassie.
She's been practicing at playgrounds. Hunter, look at you go. She's going to get up here and go, where's the slide? You need help from Daddy? No? You got this?
You got this?
Hi.
Hey! Oh.
You did it! You did it! Do you know we're moving right now? Hi! Hunter, I have a question.
Huh?
Is it bedtime?
No.
No? Oh, okay. Alright, Hunter, do you want to turn all the lights off for us? Okay.
Okay.
Oh, Hunter, we want a two!
A big...
That's better. Is there more lights? Quick, Dad, quick!
Uh-oh.
Oh no, there's one more! Quick!
Huh? morning when you get off this ferry.
It's too early, yeah.
I'll say it every time, 100% when you get up to watch the sunrise, it is worth it.
Hello.
Hello.
Can I please have one cupcake?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
2, 3, go!
Mama.
2, 3, go!
What a beautiful first morning here at Tasmania.
Alright, I think it is officially time to go and explore Tasmania, but we may have invited a couple of friends to join us. Let's do this!
Meet Brady, Heather, Alexa and Chloe from Raising Voyagers. You may have seen them during our Disney World series. Then they joined us on a little cruise and have followed us all the way to Australia to join us for this epic little week in Tasmania.
After one of the windiest drives I think we've ever done, we've finally made it to our first stop here in Tasmania. Welcome to Cradle Mountain. Hi. Hi. You gonna drive us to our parking spot?
Mama.
Oh, you gonna drive me? Thanks, Hunter. Can you beep beep? People are in our way.
Hi.
She sees it.
Asha.
You wanna go outside and play with them?
Hello.
So tonight we pulled up to such a beautiful spot. It is right outside Cradle Mountain National Park, and we'll show you in the morning why we love this part of Tasmania so much.
So tonight, to celebrate our first night together, we're going to be making some family sushi.
You let me have mine.
Cheers. Do you want to cheers, Alexa?
Cheers.
And good work.
If Hunter opens up a restaurant, there'd be like no supply
Yeah, they're
left.
like, I'm sorry, we've run out of seaweed for today. Wait, but you've only sold one roll. Alright, Hunter, can you put a little bit of avocado on top of the rice? And on top of the rice, good girl, another piece. Good girl. And then some cucumber on the rice. Good work, Hunter.
Whoa, Hunter, that's gonna be a fat sushi.
Oh, yes. Woohoo! Hunter, this is going to be so good. Roll it.
Yeah, sushi
Roll it. Wow. Should we have a bite on either side? Ready, set, go. Hunter, you're good. This is delicious. Hunter, guess what? Today is Easter.
Oh.
And guess who's come to visit you? The Easter Bunny.
Oh.
What's under the pillow, Hunter? What's under the pillow? Huh?
Oh.
Who put that there? Did the Easter Bunny put that there?
Me.
For you? Should we open it? What's inside? Hunter, what are you doing?
Dream.
Once you're finished being in the bushes, there's got a special surprise for you.
Oh.
Guess who came and visited? Easter Bunny.
Oh.
And he's come and he's hidden some eggies.
Oh.
Did you want to go find them?
I do.
I wonder where they could be. Maybe, could they be down here? Are you under the car?
No.
Okay, let's have a look down here. Could they be, what about over near the trees?
No.
And not under the table?
No.
Bushes.
Oh. Oh. Aw.
It's an egg.
Yay.
Where else could there be some?
Oh. Yay.
What have you found? How many have you got? 1, 2, 3.
Hunter, is there more eggs?
Oh my goodness, that's so many eggs, Hunter.
Hunter, what colour is your egg? Is it purple?
What's inside? Do you think every time she's surprised to see chocolate?
Chocolate! We just wanted to say a massive thank you to Squarespace for partnering up with us on this little van series. So if you are new around here, Squarespace is the amazing all-in-one platform where you can easily put together a website or blog. Now over the last few months, Jess has been putting so much effort into our blog, which is built on Squarespace. I'll leave a link below so you can go and check it out. She's been putting up blog posts of our old trips as well as upcoming trips. And if you were interested in putting your own website together, Squarespace has award-winning templates plus customer support if you ever get stuck. So if you are new, I'll leave a 10% discount code below for you. Plus you can have a free trial as well. Now let's head back to the Tasmania series.
Ready, Hunter? So, the last time Mummy and Daddy were here in Cradle Mountain, you were in Mummy's belly. And while we were here, we got you a prize and we can give it to you now. So guess what animal we're going to see while we're here? What's this? Is it a wombat?
Yeah.
We got that for you when we were here last time. Like, what was it, 2.5 years ago now? 2 years ago? And now you're here.
I do this.
So do you want to go on a little hike and we can go find a real wombat?
I do.
Okay, let's go.
Yay!
Yay, let's do it.
So there are a bunch of different hikes you can do around just the lodge itself, which is beautiful and worth checking out. And we come to the Enchanted garden, which we think is probably the most beautiful one. Plus, having 3 little girls, looking out for fairies, looking out for wombats, it's a good start to the morning.
I remember walking through here last time.
So stunning.
So beautiful.
I think just what makes this part of Tasmania so special is it doesn't feel like Australia. The ferns, the moss, just the rivers running through. It's kind of cool coming to a place and just feeling like you're not in your home country, and I think that's why we love it so much, because it's just so unique and so different to what we have seen so far on our trip around Australia. Cradle Mountain, notorious to be in this weather, and it was crazy because last time we were here, it started snowing in the middle of summer. So I feel like it's so unpredictable with the weather. I couldn't tell you when's the best time to come, but I don't know, the rain and the clouds kind of adds to that mood, and it's just pretty picturesque.
Yeah.
So we've hiked out to Dove Lake, and this one is quite pooped after looking for all those wombats. I don't even blame Hunter for being sleepy because this place is just so peaceful.
But you're going to say dreamy.
One, 2, 3. I don't know how to skip. Oh, how to skip? Yes, you do.
What is it? It's a wombat.
I do love her.
Can you say wombat?
Num num num.
Num num. Is he eating some grass?
I do this.
I don't know if you like to eat that, but it's a good idea.
Did you see a wombat?
Oh.
Was he so cute? Did you give him a little cuddle? Do you want to come and have some soup? I mean, Steve, it's chilly out there. Hunter, what time is it? Egg time. You sure about that? 6 a.m. and I totally forgot that I had hidden one of Hunter's eggs in her bunk. And then we wake up and Hunter's sitting there eating an egg. Have you got an egg? Feel too bad taking it away from her. She was so excited. Hunter, do you love Easter?
Yeah.
Yeah, Easter.
Oh, thank you for sharing.
Never too early.
Never too early. Hunter, are you excited for Mom's annual pancakes on Easter? Oh, yeah! I remember last year, this one was so small, but we still tried to celebrate Easter as much as possible. But now I think she is definitely in the full-blown Easter mode. Are you? Yeah, Hunter's dad. Should we sneak a strawberry?
And we put it like a little ear. You want to do the other one? Put it right here. Perfect, it's the bunny ear. Bunny tail, and then the last thing, should we put some sprinkles on the tail? Sprinkles, sprinkles, sprinkles.
Yay!
Is Mom's Easter pancakes the best? It's good, huh? Should we go and invite some friends around for breakfast?
I do.
Yeah? Boink.
Hi, hi, hi.
You're laughing again!
You guys want to come over for breakfast?
Yes, please.
Close your eyes. Next to Hunter. Oh, Hunter, close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. Alright, close your eyes. Come over here. Close your eyes. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Pancakes!
Look at bunnies! made them for you.
I see that.
Show you the best trick ever. Ah! Hunter wants some? Okay. That's so good. Ah!
Yeah.
Alexa?
So we're currently exploring the east coast of Tasmania and we have arrived in a place that we have always wanted to go to. It is called Wineglass Bay. It is absolutely breathtaking and there are 3 ways that you can see this place. First is a helicopter ride, second is a hike,
Or option 3, which is go and do a cruise through the Wineglass Bay.
All we have is nothing, sometimes nothing's all you need. When you're stripped of all your armor, you can
And just like that, our 4-hour cruise has begun and it is already off to a beautiful start. Look at the mountain ranges just here on Freycinet National Park. It's a beautiful way just to send us off.
We're sipping on sunshine. We wanna taste of this world. Unafraid, we were made to want.
Saw a bunch of dolphins, so 100% worth it.
Sunshine.
Hi, Chloe. Say yo, yo, yo.
Yo, yo, yo.
I like your sucky.
Yo, yo, yo!
So we're ending our time in this part of Tasmania in a beautiful area called Swansea and we are spending the night at the Swansea Beach Chalets and they are right on the water. We've been greeted to the most beautiful night, so we're going out to check out the beach, but the issue is that on the way to the beach there is a playground, which means we're going to be spending more time at the playground than at the beach.
Why did I?
Say Swansea!
Go, go, go.
I think the cool thing about Tassie is that there are so many beautiful beaches mixed in with so many beautiful mountains, and then seeing the mountains and the beaches come together, it's just so breathtaking. How beautiful is Tasmania? Look at this! 1, 2,